The power to create is in the will of nature. The will to nourish and sustain is within the power of humanity. Since the dawn of civilization, human beings have gathered and utilized gifts of nature to grow and flourish. As our dependence on cultivating the land increased, we started understanding the need to nourish and replenish this natural resource. First, by using natural materials and wastes to replenish the soil. Then, taking inspiration from Mother Nature, expanding the potential created by her, creating fertilizers to give back nutrients in the soil, keeping it rich and productive. To provide for our ever-expanding need for food, feed, fiber, and medicinal plants for cures, opening up the limitless possibilities, liberating us from hunger and starvation, upholding the pride and dignity of a nation, ushering in the green revolution. The fertilizer industry stands rock solid behind our farmers, and the government stands side by side with the industry, supporting and strengthening it to nurture the farmers of India. Working in tandem with each other, they have created a world-class, internationally competitive, environment-friendly, award-winning fertilizer industry, capable of not just catering to the demands of this country, but growing to be a quality supplier in the international markets. To further streamline, strengthen, and consolidate this movement, the Fertilizer Association of India came into being in 1955. To create a common platform for the agriculturist, the industry, and the government, with a clear mandate to assist the industry in improving its operational efficiency. To promote the balanced use of fertilizer nutrients for raising agricultural productivity. To find solutions for the problems facing the fertilizer industry and agriculture. And to weave all the efforts into the fabric of success. The Fertilizer Association of India, meeting the challenging environment for fertilizer utilization in India, demarcating the various soil types, testing the changing pH values, mapping the varying geographical factors, understanding the diverse climatic conditions, and working on the fertilizer policies and subsidies that need constant attention to ensure fair practices and the sustained health of the farmer and the fertilizer industry. The FAI has organized itself into functional divisions: technical, marketing and PR, economics, statistics and IT, agricultural sciences, documentation, finance and legal. These divisions working together play a catalytic role in improving efficiency and productivity in fertilizer production, distribution and use through a variety of activities. In 2018 and 2019, this nation produced 285 million tons of food grains with an application of 57 million tons of fertilizer, of which 19 million tons was imported. India is the second largest producer of N and third largest producer of P, and the second largest consumer of fertilizers in the world. To sustain this massive requirement, the FAI's activities are multifold and round the clock. Specialist and expert groups provide advisory inputs for tackling specific issues and problems. By representing in all government decisions relating to fertilizers and agriculture, the FAI helps to ensure correct deployment of resources to the industry and farmers. The FAI is invariably represented in various important international bodies and forums. The Director General and the officers of FAI regularly present papers and undertake sponsored studies across the globe. The FAI Annual Seminar has been recognized as the premier global forum to exchange of views and ideas within the fertilizer and agriculture sectors. FAI undertakes special studies and projects sponsored by international organizations including FAO, IFA, IZA, IPI, TSI, etc. Special studies are done by the FAI relating to energy conservation, downtime analysis, safety, pollution abatement, fertilizer use by crop, demand forecast, cropping system response to nutrients, and promotion of balanced and efficient use of nutrients. The FAI's large, up-to-date library and documentation center makes it the right choice as the clearinghouse of information and assistance across the fertilizer industry. The FAI's publications provide the industry and the agricultural sector updated information on their requirements and help disseminate useful and much-needed data on fertilization. FAI website www.faidelhi.org provides a wealth of information on the developments in the fertilizer and agriculture sectors. Multidiscipline training programs organized by FAI throughout the year have kept the Indian fertilizer manufacturers updated on all aspects of production, trade, shipping, distribution, maintenance, infotech, and forecasting, amongst others. Keeping participants abreast of the changing government policies is an integral part of these programs. The fertilizer industry in India has grown into a formidable manufacturer and supplier of nutrients. The industry has modernized and adapted techniques to stay connected to farmers' needs. The industry has been in the forefront of social responsibility, with its commitment to environment protection and sustainability. Fertilizer manufacturers have introduced many extension services that help increase yields, ensuring food availability and prosperity for farmers, while simultaneously ensuring the health and fertility of the land. The FAI, working with the industry, Indian Council of Agricultural Research, agricultural universities, and the government, has taken steps to ensure these goals by bringing scientific research closer to the farmer who needs it. Intensive farmer interaction and education, soil testing, defining crop type and patterns to farming locations, geospatial mapping, and plotting of areas with their specific requirements, making the industry more competitive and sustainable through nutrient-based subsidies. Encouraging the manufacture and use of 100% water-soluble fertilizers. Encouraging the manufacture and use of customized fertilizers. Biofertilization. Tissue culture to maintain quality and enhance profitability. Making balanced fertilization the route to success. Promoting integrated plant nutrient management for best results. The road ahead is filled with promises and challenges. The Fertilizer Association of India is ready with unique and innovative options for farmers through industry members and government policies to ensure the food security of this great nation.